नमस्ते, मैं आपका दोस्त आशीष कुमार और आप देख रहे हैं अपना पसंदीदा यूट्यूब चैनल लर्निंग डिजिटल और हमारा मोटो है लर्निंग फॉर योर अर्निंग। तो जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, हम यहाँ सीखते हैं ऑनलाइन पैनल और डिजिटल दुनिया की चीजों को कैसे ऑपरेट किया जाए। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मेरा आपसे अनुरोध है कि यदि आप यहाँ नए हैं तो कृपया हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाना न भूलें।
Hello and welcome to the guided project Build a Free Website. My name is Delphine and I will be your instructor today. I am a public health specialist and have developed several websites for personal and professional uses during my career. WordPress gave me the possibility to create, manage, and develop these websites easily and for free, while some may also enjoy the various features available on this platform at a very low cost. The possibilities are endless. By the end of this project, you will learn how to create a website and manage it for your professional or personal use, add pages, and publish articles or photographies. This guided project is an introduction to WordPress and is designed for people who would like to open a website for free or at a very low cost. And for beginners in the website creation who want to have their own platform without hiring a specialist. WordPress is a perfect platform to create a commercial website, a blog, a photo gallery, amongst others, because it provides all the tools you need to create an organized and visually appealing product while offering a variety of options for personalization. You will learn how to plan and create each step of a website and utilize the appropriate tool to create a visually appealing online platform. Let's take a look at a completed project. Here is an example of a website designed to promote the initiative of an orphanage in Bolivia. All the features have been personalized to better fit the goal of the project, such as the title, the picture, or the color. You can also appreciate the presence of a menu on the top right corner that describes all the pages available in Spanish, English, or French. Now let's start and create your own website. Let's begin by opening a new page by typing wordpress.com. On the main page of the website, you will find a blue button called Start Your Website and all the possibilities that WordPress offers. If you want to go through this information, you can continue the next step afterwards by pausing the video. When you are ready, click on the Start Your Website button, which opens a new page. The next step is to create an account by entering your information or by connecting to your Google or Apple account. If you want to create an account, you can start by entering your email address. Please feel free to pause the video at any time to fill in your information and continue when you are ready. Once you entered your email address, you can click on Create Your Account. The next page will ask you to choose the name of your website. Once you write down the name of your website on the appropriate area, you will see appearing the number of possible URL or address of your website. Some may be free for the first year but ask a little amount, a little payment for the future. But I will choose the one that says free forever. I only have to select this one on clicking by the select button. The next page, called Choose a Plan, permits you to decide which element of your website you want. Each plan have different possibilities that you can choose and have different amounts. If you only want the basic element for your website and you do not want to pay for it, you can select Start with a free website by clicking on the name. However, this can be adjusted later if you will realize that another plan would be more suitable for you. On the next page, called Where Will You Start?, you can decide to start writing or creating your website. I would advise to start by building it before writing it. So we can select Start Building. Now we have to select the website template that we would like to use for the website. It's the theme of your website or its appearance. It's showing you the look that your website may take and its main features. You can select on the left list the type of website you prefer, such as portfolio if you want to expose your photography. I will choose the first one that is available for this example, but all the templates can be modified similarly. You simply have to select Start With and the name of your template for your website to be created. If you are not sure which one you want, you can always discover them by just looking at them, and if you like it, you just click on the top right corner, Start With the name of your template. Next step, your WordPress is creating the website based on all the functionality you selected. This may take a few minutes. Don't hesitate to pause the video for you to take the time. Congratulations! In this task, you have created your website. However, it is not launched yet, and it won't be until you are ready to do so. Therefore, you have the time to modify it as you please, and you will not see it online until it is launched. In the next task, you will learn how to modify and personalize your website.
यदि आपके कोई प्रश्न है या अतिरिक्त सहायता की आवश्यकता है तो बेझिझक नीचे कमेंट करें। अधिक उपयोगी टिप्स और ट्यूटोरियल के लिए लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। वीडियो देखने के लिए थैंक्स।